In unit number 4, we are discussing the law of constant composition. It states that no matter how a chemical compound is prepared, it always contains the same elements in the same proportion by mass. So when you make a compound, the elements are combining. So they are combining by a constant composition. That means it always contains the same elements in the same proportion by mass. For example, any water molecule is always made up of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom in a 2:1 ratio. That means two hydrogen when mixed with one oxygen, you are getting water. That hydrogen atoms are 2, oxygen atom is 1. So they are in a composition, constant composition 2:1 ratio. So if you multiply the elements, if you multiply the elements also, the water molecule, it will be in the ratio of 2:1. So that is law of constant composition. By using this law of constant composition, you can do a numerical problem. A 10 gram sample of magnesium reacts with oxygen to form 16.6 gram of magnesium oxide. In a second sample, 14.4 gram of magnesium also reacts with oxygen. Use the law of constant composition to determine the mass of magnesium oxide formed in the second sample. So here we are taking the ratio of the reactant and product. Magnesium in the sample 1 divided by the magnesium oxide in the sample 1 equal to magnesium in sample 2 divided by magnesium oxide in sample 2. So we are calculating the magnesium oxide sample 2, that is equal to, by cross multiplication, magnesium sample 2 divided by magnesium sample 1 multiplied by magnesium oxide sample 1 equal to 14.4 divided by 10. 14.4 is the sample magnesium oxide, that is sample 2. So 14.4 divided by 10 gram of sample magnesium 1, that is sample 1 multiplied by magnesium oxide sample 1. Magnesium oxide sample 1 is 16.6 gram. So magnesium oxide in sample 2 equal to 23.9 grams. So here we are using the law of constant composition. So in the first case, we are making magnesium oxide by using magnesium and oxygen. Okay. In the second case also, we are making magnesium oxide by using another mass of magnesium. So we are calculating the how much gram of magnesium oxide is formed in the second case. So we are using the law of constant composition. That means we are taking the ratio of sample 1 of reactant and product. Then we are equating with that the ratio of sample 2 with the reactant and product. Then by cross multiplication, you can calculate the magnesium oxide formed in sample 2. Then putting the values, we can calculate this magnesium oxide formed in the sample 2, that is 23.9 grams. So this is done by the law of constant composition.